Well, hi there, boys and girls. This is Ryan Dubey,
And Nicholas Cromwell.
and today we'll be doing an example of L'Hopital's rule. So our first problem is the limit as x approaches 1 from the right side of the graph, so from the positive side only, of 3 over natural log of x minus 2 over x minus 1. So this looks a little complicated, but it's really not that bad. The first thing you want to do is only get one fraction, so we're going to combine the two by cross multiplying. So we're going to rewrite this as the limit as x approaches 1 from the right again of 3 times x minus 1. So that's just really 3x minus 3 minus 2 times the natural log of x all over the bottom multiplied. So x minus 1 times the natural log of x. And we just combine those using cross multiplying. Now we're going to scoot down a bit. There we go. And we're now going to take the derivative because first we're going to show you that when you plug in 1 for this equation, you'll get 0 over 0. So if you plug in 1 for x, you get 3 minus 3. You get 3 minus 3 if you plug in 1 for this x right here. And that is 0 minus... If you plug in 1 for the natural log of x, that's also 0, so 2 times 0 is 0, all over 1 minus 1, so 0, and then again that's 0 times 0. So you get 0 over 0, which is indeterminate. So to fix that problem, we just have to take the derivative, and sorry, we're erasing all this real quick. Okay, so now that you know that it's 0, 0, we can solve that by taking the derivative, and that is L'Hopital's rule. So the derivative of the top is pretty simple. It would just be 3 because you have your constant, which comes out to 0 as the 3. So 3 minus, and 2 natural log of x is 2 over x because of u prime over u. And then the derivative of the bottom, you'll have to use the product rule. So we have the first times the derivative of the second, which is 1 over x, plus the second times the derivative of the first, which would just be 1. So we just have natural log of x. And that, after you plug in 1 for all that, we can get 3 minus 2. Right, we plug in 1 for all of those, so we get 3 minus 2 on top. That's a 3 minus 2. Just kidding. Yeah, so we get 3 minus 2 on top, and the bottom, I'm just going to tell you it comes out to 0. Yeah, it's a bit to write. But if you can see, 1 minus 1 and then 1 over 1 is 0. So we have a final answer of 1 over 0, and anything over 0 does not exist. It's indeterminate. And that's our video. Thanks.
Bye.